Did you know you could be earning $1,000 or more every day? We've identified 11 high-income apps that can help you create a reliable stream of income. All of these apps are designed to make the most out of your time and effort, so you can focus on your top priority, making money. With these apps, you can make $1,000 daily. So why wait? Get started today and put your time and energy into something that will pay off. Just watch the video all the way through and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Now, let's get started. Are you looking for a way to make big money? Look no further. This bundle has compiled 11 apps that can help you make $1,000 and more daily. These apps are easy to use and require little effort. With just a few clicks, you can start making serious money. Plus, it provides step-by-step tutorials to help you get started. Unlike others, these high-income apps are totally automated and programmed for 100% profit. And the best part is, you don't even have to do extra work on them because they bring you daily income with the latest cutting-edge software. Can you imagine the amount of money you can make with these apps? All these apps combined are game changers and have been made perfectly just for you to profit endlessly and effortlessly. It is automated, fast and 100% done for you, bringing forth money for you each and every day on complete autopilot. Meaning you can literally get it up and running and start building a bank in your comfort as soon as today. All you need is just activate this system in 3 dead simple steps. Step 1. Log into this cloud-based app, super easy to navigate dashboard. Step 2. Activate the profit pulling apps, this takes just 2 minutes. Step 3. You are ready, you can see how quick and easy it is to start making a good sum of money daily. Don't wait any longer, check out the link in the description to take advantage of these high-income apps to start making big money today. I hope this video has helped you in some way. If you found it valuable, give me a big thumbs up, comment saying, I like it. Don't forget to share it with your friends, and check out also other videos for more making money methods. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to follow for more videos like this one.